What's up, guys? Today I want to go over proper cleaning of a hair system. We're going to do this in a two-part series, so make sure you follow along for part 2. Let's get into it. So first I'm going to do a quick once over, spray that system down with some alcohol, and gently start to peel off that perimeter bond of adhesive. Then I'm going in with my non-fraying cotton pads. You can get these on Amazon. I soak mine in alcohol and essential oils. I use these to gently rub off any adhesive that's stuck on the lace. I continue to use my alcohol for stubborn spots. I go in with a knit comb to get any chunks that are stuck in the hair. Then I go in with C22 and do one more comb through to make sure all that adhesive is out. I do one more once over to make sure I got everything, and then we're ready to wash.